The first time I saw a Shahed drone in the sky over my city, I took a photo of it. That was the worst thing I could have done. I'm here to make sure you never make the same mistake. My name is Maksym Krupskyi. I'm a journalist and a pastor from Ukraine. Since the war began, I have lived through dozens of drone strikes and missile attacks, not as a soldier, but as a civilian. I've slept in basements. I've watched my neighbors learn what to do and what not to do in real time. I've seen knowledge save lives. Pokrov Project is everything I wish I had known before the war came to my country. Here you'll find 3 things. Field lessons. What to do when a drone is above you. Where to stand, where not to. What to keep in your home. Expert voices. Conversations with people who know landmines, evacuation, trauma medicine, civilians surviving conflicts around the world. Mental armor. How to hold your mind together when the news won't stop. When sleep doesn't come. When fear tries to decide for you. I'm not going to scare you into watching. I'm not selling bunkers. The world has changed and the threat of drones has become an everyday reality, not only in Ukraine. I hope you never need what I'm teaching here, but if you do, I want you to be ready. Subscribe, share with someone you love, and if you want the deeper course, it's linked below. Peace first, preparedness second, both matter.